So I'm jump starting my freaking Hellcat again for the second time this week, dude. My Honda. Bro, I don't know what's going on, but definitely they need to figure out this issue, because if this keeps happening, it's just a waste of my time. Like, I have to keep freaking recharging it. So we're gonna do it again, and then this weekend I'm doing oil change, and I'm gonna ask them to see what's going on, and probably just get a new battery or something. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Dude, this video is gonna be like so weird for me because I'm literally flying out to Chicago this Sunday, but all the videos you're gonna see is pretty much what I'm recording this week. So I'm gonna see, I have to basically edit 3 videos, because I'm uploading one on Sunday, which is the day I'm leaving. I'm uploading on Wednesday, and I'm uploading on Saturday. So I'm leaving Sunday, coming back Saturday. Bro, I got so much videos to upload, but tunnel time. Holy! Oh, I freaking love this thing, dude. I'm about to go catless freaking tomorrow. So it's gonna be a hectic week, bro. I'm going catless, and then I'm going flying out Sunday. So I got 3 videos to edit. Dude, it's gonna be a hectic week, but pretty much I gotta start doing these POVs like once a week. I've been uploading a lot of different types of content, like driving with people, and it seems like to me people just love POVs, like, which is the craziest thing to me, because all my other videos get better watch time, better click-through rates, because they're all unique, but the ones with my POVs, they get the most views. Like, it's kind of crazy to me. I think it's awesome because I love POVs. I kind of understand why. So yeah, we're gonna be doing more POVs, and we're gonna see what the future has. I'm gonna fill up some gas, go find some nice spots to gas it, and then we're gonna just have a good time today. Damn, bro, 520 is freaking crazy, dude. Oh, bro, freaking $82. That's freaking crazy, dude. You know how cheap gas used to be, guys? It used to be $3.20 in LA. I think it got all the way down to like $2.40, which is crazy. But I'm gonna get the receipt. If you guys know, you guys know. But dude, it's crazy, man. It freaking sucks. Talked to my homie. Haven't seen him in like months. Oh. Yo, that's the homie. I haven't seen him in a minute. Fudge, I need to click. Dude, I have too many things that show my mile per hour, bro. That's actually so annoying. Bro, I gotta edit so much crap because of it. Sheesh, bro. Yeah, pretty much just raced my homie. Obviously, it's like not a fair race, obviously, but just a chill little race, just for fun, you know what I mean? But dude, I'm gonna be honest, man, I've been having some issues with my car. Like, even in that race, I don't know if you guys can tell, it was having a hard time shifting. And I don't understand what's going on, dude. Dude, look at that burnout. Look at that burnout right there. What the fudge? Oh my gosh, people be drifting like, bro, people are so wild out here. The amount of drift marks I see, dude, especially in my neighborhood, the craziest part is that not a single one in my neighborhood is me. And I'm like curious to where these people are at. Like, I'm trying to be cool with these type of people, but I'm gonna be honest, man, my car's been having some kind of issues. Like, even when I was at a gas station starting it up, it was like having a hard time starting it. Like, I don't understand what's going on. So like, right now it's doing fine. There's no issue right now. But when I was doing a pull with him, it wouldn't shift. Like, it would like lag the shifts. And I don't know, man. It's like, I'm gonna be honest, man, there's been something going on. Luckily I have warranty and I've done absolutely nothing to the engine. I haven't even went catless too, so nothing's going. I don't understand why there even be issues, bro. It's too early on. Like, I drive this car, obviously, like, I drive it aggressively, but come on, dude, 4,000 miles. Like, I know for a fact everyone that has this car drives it aggressively. That's another reason why I was scared about getting used. People drive this car like freaking crazy. I'm in automatic mode. I've been kind of liking automatic mode recently, dude. It's actually so fun. Oh fudge, this road's hot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. so loud here. Oh, dude. No car beats the sound of this car, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. But pretty much, man, there's been a lot of weird things going on with this car, and I don't know why. Like, literally this week I jumped my car twice, and it's just weird, man. Like, things shouldn't be happening this early on. Luckily I already been to the dealer, so it's already on record, so I'm not really too scared. Dang, this is a hella nice road. I didn't know this. Like, I knew this place. No, I didn't know this place existed, to be honest. It's a little bit too nice over here, bro. I'm gonna have too much fun. I'm gonna roll the windows all the way down, dude. Listen to this crap. It's so loud. Valves are open. Oh my gosh. What is that? Why does it look like a cop? I'm so... Oh my gosh! It's so loud here. Oh, dude, I was watching a video on Catless, bro, and oh my gosh, Catless sounds so freaking amazing, dude. Like, I cannot wait until I could go Catless. Automatic mode's the vibe, dude, low-key. But to be honest, man, this catback's all you guys need, man. Especially if you guys want to hear it louder, just open up the back windows and you'll hear literally the whole entire exhaust. If you don't open up any windows, you barely hear the exhaust at all. Which, like, I'm gonna be honest, like, that's the only thing I don't like about it. But it's perfect. It's the perfect medium. I just want my exhaust obnoxious. Like, I want it so loud, and I want the back windows to barely be open. You know what I mean? It's bouncing like crazy, man. Look at all these marks. I mean, look how open this road is. There's literally no one freaking here. Sheesh, man. Like, I've clearly had enough of the wine. Wait a minute, bro. Oh my gosh. I've clearly had enough of the wine. So I've been kind of more enjoying the exhaust, just because I never had the back windows open. Okay, automatic mode right now. Sheesh, bro. Fudge. I hope you guys enjoy these type of POV videos. I plan to make way more, just because I don't have a lot of time actually, but I have a full squad of McLaren, Lambo friends. Oh my, bro, the back windows is meta. It makes it sound so insane. Holy. But pretty much, dude, I have an abundance of McLaren friends. Like, literally, this weekend I was supposed to go drive with them, but I have to go, this Sunday I was supposed to go drive with them, but dude, I have to go to Chicago. So I'm not able to, but man, I would have been so hyped to go. One 720S, one twin turbo Lambo, I think like another Lambo guy. Dude, it's crazy. Like, the amount of people I've met in the past 2 weeks, it's almost kind of scary, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But it's all God's blessing, bro. You know what I mean? We're just having fun with it, and I only got a Hellcat, dude. These guys are vibing. Like, I'm happy for that, man. I'm really happy. Like, I'm really happy for what the future has. Bro, it is, dude, I did not realize how loud my car is. Oh, my phone's overheating so much, bro. Sheesh, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go on this road that's actually, like, you can actually see what's going on. It's so bright over here. It's like pretty much not gonna be worth it. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the vids. Got a lot going planned. I'm gonna go catless. Bro, it never gets old, man, never. There's a Z06 behind me, but okay, time open the windows wide. Fudge. Holy. Dude, my phone's overheating so bad right now. I can see it freaking tripping balls. For these part of the roads, I'm gonna be a little quiet. I want you guys to hear the full sound of this car because it's amazing, bro. Dude, the whine is everything on this car. I don't care what anyone says about it being slow or whatever. The whine is what's so amazing about this car. So amazing. The only thing I like other than this sound is literally a Supra with a big freaking turbo that spools like crazy. That's the only other thing I like other than this kind of supercharger. Oh, this road. I hope the angles are good, man. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna keep coming out with so much content. Oh, I forgot the most important thing to say in this video. My goal, guys, for the future is to be crazy. Whether YouTube does good or not, dude, I'm gonna use the money I make from my job to keep investing because, bro, basically my next plan with this YouTube channel is to buy like Hellcats, Trackhawks crashed and repair them. And I want to do the whole journey of me repairing them too. And that's what like I'm so hyped for. So basically I'm gonna buy this one Hellcat that my friend has that's he's had since it's basically 2018 Hellcat, 200 miles that was crashed off the lot and it's a salvage title, dude. And it's like the damage is not that bad. Like I'll be able to repair. So that's what's the new plan for this channel, dude, is to buy cars and repair them from scratch. And I think like the content is gonna be so dope. Like I want to get an M5 eventually. I want to get all these different types of cars to freaking repair. And I feel like it's just gonna be like a whole new journey on YouTube. And it's gonna be, I mean, I've already been doing that with other cars, but this is gonna be like more in depth and it's actually be like, it's gonna be badass cars, you know? It's not gonna be just like just a regular Infiniti that I have or a Honda. Like it's gonna be M5s, M4 G82s, like all these dope cars. So we got a lot of hope, we got a lot for the future. So I'm hyped. Do one more pull for the vid and then so many people at this red light. What the fudge? But if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.